Sri Sai Ram. Dear children, welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online video classes. So let us start the straight line. In part second, we see how can write the equation of straight line. The line is passing through the some point and parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. Correct? Last session we see the introduction, some objectives. Now see, start the problems. In the table we have, in the session we have straight line parallel to an axis, both the x-axis and y-axis, and related problems. Okay, so the first problem is, what is the first problem? Find the equation of line passing through -2 comma -3, and here given two condition, two problems. So point is single there, but you have to find the equation of line passing through -2 comma -3, and that line is parallel to x-axis as well as parallel to y-axis. Okay, so I take first parallel to x-axis. So observe here, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Find the equation of line. See, observe here, find the equation of line passing through the point -2 comma -3, both are negative. In which quadrant? Both are negative here. You take -2 -3, like here you take -2 -3, -2 -3. Simply you can write rough, you have to draw here, and this line is you have to put rough points, no need to take some measurement here. This line is, the first problem is parallel to x-axis, parallel to x-axis. Okay, parallel to x-axis means you have to draw the line like this. This line L is parallel to x-axis. Then write equation of this line. Correct. So this is the first one. Second is parallel to y-axis. Same point, parallel to x. Let us second we see later. First see. Observe here. This line is parallel to x-axis. Means what is equation of this line? What is equation of this line? So last session we see that if the line is parallel to x-axis, if the line is parallel to x-axis, the line equation is y equal to something constant. Something constant is nothing but what is given there point. You have to see what is the value of y there. See, this is parallel to x-axis. This equation of this line is clearly, we say that y equal to, what is y equal to here? This line is passing through the -2 comma 3. We know this is x and this is y, this is abscissa, this is y ordinate. You take any point in this line, you take any point in this line, x will be vary. Here is x is 0, here is x is negative, here is in this side x is positive, increasing here is decreasing, but y is fixed here. Here y is -1, y is -2, like y is -3, y is -3, you know. So you take any point in this line, so y is constant, y is some values, y is nothing but -3. Correct. Therefore the parallel to x-axis, the equation of line is, the equation of a line is, the equation of line is, so write directly y is equal to -3. This is implied, this can be written as y plus 3 equal to 0. Meaning is same, y plus 3 equal to 0 or y equal to -3. This is parallel to x-axis. Now what is in second case? The line is parallel to y-axis. Again I draw here same figure, but the line is draw here parallel to x-axis. This is y-axis. The line is parallel to y-axis. Same point, you take point here. What is the point here? Again -2 comma -3. The line is parallel to which axis? Y-axis. This is line L, second case. Then you write equation of this line. So we know that the previous session, if the any line is parallel to y-axis, if the line is parallel to y-axis, the equation of line is x equal to something constant, x equal to something arbitrary. So clearly I say that equation of this line is x equal to something. What is x equal to something value? Observe the point. Observe the point here. You take any point here. What is x value here? This is x, this is y. X is nothing but -2. So you take here y varies in this side, downside y is negative, here is y is positive, y is positive in this, y is 0 here. But you take any point in this line, x equal to fixed, that is x equal to how much? -2. X equal to -2. Correct? Answer is, or equation of the line L is x equal to -2. The line is parallel to y-axis. Correct? Second one is the line is parallel to which axis? Parallel to y-axis. The equation of, therefore, the equation of a line is there is x is equal to -2 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is the answer equation of this line. Or very simple problem, just observe here what is the point there, what is the x values, what is the y values. If the line is parallel to x axis, y equal to some value. If the line is parallel to y axis, x equal to some value. This is the problem. Okay, I think you understand this problem. Very simple problem. Let us we move next problem. What is the next one? Same solution. Find the equation of line passing through -3, 4. Again here the parallel to x axis and parallel to y axis, same problem. X axis, y axis. This is origin 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, no need to write positive because we have only negative values. This is -1, -2, -3, -4. Here -1, -2, -3. What is the point here? Point is -3, 4. X is -3, y is -4. I like here. Yes, here. This point is -3, -4. Okay. See, the first case is the line is passing through the point -3, -4. I draw here in the figure. The first A parallel to that line is parallel to x axis. Correct? Draw the figure. The line is parallel to x axis. Here, this is L. Correct? See, observe here. The line is parallel to x axis. I told you if the line is parallel to x axis, the equation of line y equal to something constant. Y equal to something constant. What is y equal to something that constant? You know what is y here? Y equal to here -4. You take any value of y here. This is x, this is y. Correct? Y equal to -4. You take any value, any point on this line, y equal to -4. Therefore, the equation of a line is y is equal to -4 or y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the equation of line. Okay. So next, second one is B, parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. Parallel to y axis. See, if the line is parallel to y axis, means draw the line same here like this. Consider this is second figure. This line is parallel to y axis. See, observe here. You take any point here, y is varies. I told you the line is parallel to y axis. The equation of line is x equal to something. What is x equal to that something? What is x value is here? -3. You take any point on this line, x equal to always -3. Correct? So therefore, the equation of line is that is x is equal to -3 implies x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of line. That line is parallel to y-axis. X equal to some values. Passing through the point -3, 4. This is equation of a line. Okay. So I think you draw the figure. Figure is very important in the analytical geometry. Rough figures, not scale figure. No need to take some centimeter, some angle, all rough figures. But that figure should give the idea how can you solve the problems. Especially in analytical geometry, you can draw the figure. So figure is not necessary. Figure don't have any marks. But your understanding purpose, you have to draw the figure. When you draw the clearly figure, you can take the idea how you can solve the problems. Okay. Let us start next problem. So solution, this is left for you because this is same to same as it is. The point is here -3, -7. X axis, this is y axis. Directly I write here shortly here. Here you take point here, which point is -3, 4. This is given here perpendicular to y-axis, correct? No. Find the equation of line passing through minus 3 comma minus 7. This is minus 7. Here take point minus 3 comma minus 7. What is given here? The line is and perpendicular to y-axis. How can draw the perpendicular axis? Like this. This is 90 degree. Means this is perpendicular to y-axis. This y dash, no? See, observe here. Any line perpendicular to y-axis, clearly we say that that line is parallel to x-axis. If the line L, I say L here, perpendicular to y-axis, what is meaning of this? This implies that line is parallel to x-axis. So if the line is parallel to x-axis, clearly the equation of line is y equal to something. What is y equal to something? We know point is x. If this is x, this is y. What is y equal to here? Minus 7. Therefore, the equation of line is y is equal to minus 7. Correct? This is y equal to minus 7. This is equation. We can write this as y plus 7 equal to 0. This is equation of a required line. Okay, the line is perpendicular to which axis? Y-axis. So that is clearly parallel to x-axis. Y equal to something value. Okay, let's start. Next one is find the equation of line passing through. Same, just I solved on same problem. This is given here. Find the equation of line x-axis, y-axis. O is the origin. Find the equation of line of a line passing through 5 comma minus 3. 5 comma minus 3, which quadrant? X is positive, y is negative. Means here, take x5 here and 3 here, like here. Correct? 5 comma minus 3. Means in the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. And perpendicular to x-axis. This passing through the point, and this line is perpendicular to which axis? X-axis. So we know that any line is, this line is 90 degree. Any line is perpendicular to x-axis, means horizontal line. That line is parallel to vertical line, means y-axis. If line L is perpendicular to which axis? X-axis. Then it is a parallel to y-axis. See, the line is parallel to y-axis. The equation of line is x equal to something values. What is x equal to something values? Here is x values. We see x is, what is x values here? X and y. X equal to how much? 5. Therefore, the equation of line L is, x is equal to 5 or x minus 5 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of line L. That line is perpendicular to which axis? X-axis. It is clearly parallel to y-axis. Okay, these are very simple problems. You can solve. They give any point passing through some line and parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, I think you understand this. This session's very simple problems are there. So let us see next class, next one. Okay, thank you for watching. Jai Sai Ram.